5 minutes on your phone can quietly steal the next 2 hours of your life.
Hello viewers. Today I'm going to show you one of the most interesting and highly engaging YouTube niches that is gaining massive popularity, the Stickman Sketch animation niche. I can confidently tell you that this niche is completely monetizable, and to prove it, I'll also show you a real YouTube channel that is already monetized and successfully creating this exact type of content. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open YouTube and search for the channel Mr. Know a Little. Once you open the channel, you'll notice that it has over 112K subscribers, and it has become extremely popular because of its simple yet incredibly engaging Stickman Sketch animations. Take a look at the videos uploaded on this channel. Every single video is designed to keep viewers watching until the very end. The topics are simple but highly relatable and motivational. You'll find videos such as how to think better, why you are broke, before versus after 6 months of self-improvement, life planning, and many other personal development concepts. The amazing part is that all of these videos are created using simple Stickman Sketch animations. There are no complex 3D characters or expensive production techniques, just clean, minimal animations combined with powerful storytelling. Now, to make your work even easier, I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you. You'll find it in the description below this video. This isn't just an ordinary prompt. It contains everything you need to create professional quality videos, including complete story generation scene by scene, breakdown professional image prompts, cinematic video prompts, consistent Stickman character design, voice over script generation, camera angles, and movements, emotional expressions, scene composition, animation instructions. In short, everything is already included, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. All you need to do is copy the master prompt and open Claude AI. Claude AI delivers some of the highest quality results I've personally tested. In my experience, its story generation and scene planning are among the best available today. Simply paste the master prompt into Claude AI and click the Generate button. Then be patient for a few moments while Claude processes your request. Within a short time, Claude will automatically generate a complete storyboard consisting of 10 professional scenes. Each scene includes a detailed scene description, a professional AI image, prompt A cinematic video, prompt A complete voice over script. You'll notice that scene 1 is fully prepared with all 4 sections. The same process continues for scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and all the way through scene 10. This gives you a complete production-ready project without requiring any manual writing. Once all 10 scenes are generated, save the entire output, because the next step is creating the images. For image generation, today I'll be using Leonardo AI, and the best part is that you can use it completely free. I'll also show you how to use the powerful GPT Image 2 model inside Leonardo AI. First, click Start Now and sign in using your Gmail account. New users receive 150 free credits, which are more than enough to begin creating your project. After logging in, click on the Image Generation section. Open the More Models menu and select GPT Image 2. Now let me share an important tip that can save you a lot of credits. When GPT Image 2 is selected, you'll see the quality option. If you keep the quality on high, each generation may cost around 67 credits. However, if you switch the quality to low, each image only costs about 8 credits, while still producing excellent results. Personally, I always use the low quality setting because the image quality is still outstanding, and it allows me to generate many more images without running out of credits. Next, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube videos. Now simply copy the first image prompt generated by Claude AI, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and there you have it. Your first professional Stickman Sketch image is ready. Repeat the exact same process for scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and continue until you've generated all 10 images. Once every prompt has been generated, you'll have a complete collection of professional illustrations ready for your video. Take a look at these results. Every image is clean, visually appealing, highly engaging, and maintains a consistent Stickman Sketch style throughout the project. The character design remains consistent. The compositions are professional, and every scene perfectly matches the story generated by Claude AI. Don't worry, though this isn't the only option. After demonstrating GPT Image 2, I'll also show you how to generate these same images using Nano Banana Pro, another excellent AI image model. Then you can compare both results side by side and choose whichever style you personally prefer for your own videos. Now that all of our images are complete, we're ready to move on to the next stage of the workflow. Let's open Flow AI, where we'll transform these static images into smooth, professional animated videos and continue building our complete YouTube project. Alright viewers, now I'm going to show you how to generate all of these images using Flow AI and its Nano Banana 2 image model, so you can compare the results for yourself. Without wasting any time, I'll simply copy and paste each image prompt, one by one, from scene 1 all the way to scene 10. Since the process is exactly the same for every prompt, I won't make you watch the entire generation. Instead, I'll skip ahead and show you the final results. As you've already seen, GPT Image 2 inside Leonardo AI produces excellent Stickman Sketch images. Now it's time to compare those results with Nano Banana 2 in Flow AI, so you can decide which one better matches your preferred style. After uploading all the prompts, just give the AI a few moments to finish processing, and boom. All of my images have now been generated successfully. Now, take a look at these results. Personally, I really like the output from Flow AI. In my opinion, its image quality is incredibly clean, consistent, and visually appealing. The Stickman Sketch style looks polished, the character consistency is excellent, and every scene feels professional and engaging. If you're asking for my recommendation, I would definitely suggest using Flow AI for creating your Stickman Sketch images. Now let's move on to the next step, animating these images into videos. For video generation, I'll also be using Flow AI. First, I'll upload my very first image. After selecting the image, I'll copy the corresponding video prompt that was generated earlier and paste it into the prompt box. Once everything is ready, I'll simply click the Generate button. Now let's wait a few moments while Flow AI creates the animation. And here we go, my first animated video is now ready. Take a look at this result. The animation is smooth, the motion feels natural, and the overall quality looks incredibly professional. Everything from the camera movement to the character animation looks clean, engaging, and visually impressive. Now I'll repeat the same process for the second and third scenes. I'll upload the images, paste the matching prompts, generate the videos, and then show you the final results. After waiting a few more moments, here we are. All 3 animated videos are now complete. Take a look at the final output. Personally, I think Flow AI performs exceptionally well, not only for image generation but also for video creation. Having both powerful image and video generation tools on the same platform makes the entire workflow much faster and more convenient. The quality speaks for itself. The animations are smooth, the visuals are consistent, and the final videos look highly engaging and ready for YouTube. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful and learned something valuable from it.